it's directly connected to the meter. It'll always be directly connected to the meter. Okay, you just quarter turn it back and quarter turn it the other way, and you'll be good. Okay, and that's how you do your gas line. I figured I'll show you guys on my Patreon, since if you guys had any questions as it pertains to this, because this happens a lot, you know, especially in California, in these earthquake states. And just in case, you don't have to you don't have to wait for the gas company to do this. It takes the main gas line takes it takes about 5% pressure, and the earthquake valve takes about 1% pressure. But just so you know. Anyways, man, I'm gone. I just thought this may help y'all. Talk to you guys soon. Peace.